Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about addition of polynomials. This is under Mathematics 7. Find the sum. Number 1. We have here 4x squared minus 2x plus 5 plus negative 9x squared minus 3x minus 1. So this is what you are going to do. Please write the given vertically first. So I will write solution here. Again, write the given vertically. So let's have the first polynomial. So we have here 4x squared minus 2x plus 5. And then we will be having the second given, which is negative 9x squared minus 3x minus 1. But please do remember that you have to write negative 9x squared below the term that is similar to it. How can we say that the term is similar to it when they have the same variable at the same time? Their exponents are the same. So in this case, x is the variable. But for the first given, we have here a lot of x's here. But for us to identify which is the partner of negative 9x squared, kindly look at the exponent. So that is 2. They are the same. So therefore, the partner of negative 9x squared is 4x squared. So we will write negative 9x squared here below. And then we will be having negative 3x. We have to write it below negative 2x. It is because their variable or variables are the same. And also their exponent. Their exponent is 1, but it is not written in there because when the exponent is 1, it should be invisible. And then lastly, we have here negative 1. We have to write negative 1 under the constant also because negative 1 is a constant. When we say constant, it is a number only. Beside it is no variable. So we have here negative 1. And then we have to combine. Since this is addition, if you want to, you may write plus here. Then let's solve. Solve from right to left, just like normal addition. Positive 5 plus negative 1. As you can see, we have here opposite signs. So therefore, you have to subtract the numbers. 5 minus 1, that's 4. And then copy the sign of the larger number, which is positive. So plus 4. Next. Let's have the second term. Negative 2x plus negative 3x. As you can see, their sign is the same, right? Both negative, so copy their sign. And then copy the variable together with its exponent. Please do not add the exponent. It is only applicable for multiplication of polynomials. What about the numbers that we have here? If the sign or the symbol are the same, you have to add the numbers. 2 plus 3, that's 5. So we have here negative 5x. And then let's proceed with 4x squared minus 9x squared. So this is what we are going to do. We have to copy the variable, which is x, and then copy the exponent, which is 2. They have the same exponents, right? So copy it. And then, as you can see in here, We have here positive 4 and negative 9. So therefore, you have to subtract the numbers because you have opposite signs, positive and negative. So 4 minus 9, that's 5, and then copy the sign of the larger number, which is negative. So this is our final answer. Negative 5x squared minus 5x plus 4 for number 1. Let's have another. Number 2. For number 2, the process is the same. Write the given vertically. So let's write solution here. So we have here negative 7x squared minus 12x plus 8. And then we have here negative x squared. We will write it below negative 7x squared because they are alike, because of the variable and their exponent. So we have here negative x squared. And then positive 10x will be written here below negative 12x because they are the same, because of the variable and the exponent. Next, we have here negative 4, so we will write it below positive 8, so negative 4 here. And then, if you want to, then write addition here. Then let's combine. Let's have positive 8 minus 4, opposite sign, so therefore subtract the numbers. 8 minus 4 is 4. Copy the sign of the larger number. That's positive, so positive 4. Next, negative 12x plus 10x. Opposite sign, so therefore subtract the numbers. 12 minus 10 is 2. Copy the variable together with its exponent. And then copy the sign of the larger number, which is negative, so minus 2x. Next, as you can see, we don't have any number here, but there is a number here. But we cannot see it. It is invisible. That's 1. So we have here negative 1. Same sign. Copy the sign and then add the numbers. 7 plus 1, that's 8. And then don't forget to copy the variable, which is x, and the exponent, which is 2. Final answer, negative 8x squared minus 2x plus 4. That's for number 2. Let's have number 3 now. We have here negative 9x cubed minus x plus 1 plus 17x squared plus 2x minus 5. Same process. Write the given vertically. So we have here 9, negative 9x cubed minus x plus 1. And then please write the numbers below. So we have here 17x squared. It cannot be paired to 9x cubed because though they have the same variable but their exponent is not the same, so therefore they are not like terms. We cannot write it below negative 9x cubed. What will happen next? How about below negative x? Can't be, because though they have the same variable again, which is x, but they differ in exponent, which is 2 and 1. It's different from each other. And then, how about 1? No, it can't be also. It is because 1 is a constant. It doesn't contain any variable with it. So, we will write 17. Please have the sign of 17x squared also. That's plus 17x squared here. We will not put it below the first given because it doesn't have any partner. Well, it's okay. Just write it here. Next, how about plus 2x? We will write it below minus x because they are partners, same variable, same exponent. Next, negative 5. We will write it below positive 1. This because they are both constant. Then let's solve. Solve the given from right to left. Bring down positive 17x because it doesn't have any partner. Positive 1 minus 5, opposite sign, positive and negative, so therefore subtract the numbers. 1 minus 5 is 4, and then copy the sign of the larger number, which is negative. So that's negative 4. Next, how about negative x? We don't have any number beside x, but there is. It is invisible, that's 1. So negative 1x plus 2x. Different sign, so therefore, subtract the numbers. 1 minus 2 is 1. Copy x. Copy the sign of the larger number, that's positive, so plus. And then bring down negative 9x cubed because it doesn't have any partner. It is not yet the final answer, it is because we have to arrange our answer. Always remember the standard form of this is having an exponent or exponents in decreasing order. So we will be having negative 9x cubed since 3 is the highest exponent that we have. But the next term should be positive 17x squared because the exponent is 2. And then we have here plus 1x. Please write x only because 1 should be invisible. It is there but you can see it. But it is the right way of writing it. Accept it. So we have here negative 4. Just write it here. So this is the final answer. Negative 9x cubed plus 17x squared plus x minus 4. So that is all for addition of polynomials. I hope that you have learned something today. If you have inquiries about us, please message the FB page of the Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.